Welcome to the project demonstration of generalized state space average model for DC to DC buck boost and buck boost. So the main purpose of this project is while controlling the DC loads based on the input voltage is coming from our grid. So whenever the voltage is less than our threshold value or above the threshold value, so there we need to do operation of buck boost converter. So here, in order to make the most stability, we are making use of three different boost converters along with the buck converter. So here we are going to making use of this one is going to be the buck converter and boost converter and buck boost converter. So the buck converter output will be given to our boost converter, and after that will be given to the load directly. And here is a buck boost converter. The load purpose we are making use of our LEDs and our DC load. So here the flow is we are going to provide the 230 volts from this cable, and after that we will get the 230 volts to 12 volts step down voltage, and the 12 volts AC will be given to our this circuit. This is RPS, regulated power supply. So in that, so we are making use of our 4 diodes are connected in bridge rectifier manner, and after that there will be one capacitor. There is a act as filter in order to remove the pulses which we get after rectifier. And after this 7805 regulator, so we will get the 5 volts constant power supply, and that constant power supply will given as main input voltage to our PIC microcontroller. So we are making use of PIC 16F72 microcontroller. So in order to vary the voltage, we are making use of a potential divider, which is the pot. So from this we are going to change the input voltage, and based on that input voltage to our microcontroller, it will control the pulse width modulation to these 3 MOSFETs. So based on the pulse width modulation, nothing but on and off time, the charging and discharging timing will be varies on this inductor and the capacitor. So in this project we are using this transformers as inductor, because the primary coil in this one and the secondary coil in this one as a copper coils. So those are some basic inductance. So that will be utilized by our boost converters or buck boost converters as an inductor to storage purpose. So coming to explain you the buck boost converter, I will explain the buck boost converter. So it will include the operation of both. So when we are going to on this MOSFET, the particular inductor will start discharging. When it is off state, it will charge along with the capacitor also. When it is off, then the particular inductor will keep on charging, and when it is on, the charged voltage will be given to this capacitor directly, and there will be one diode which will oppose the reverse current flow from this capacitor, so that once the capacitor is charged, it directly given as output voltage to the load only. Coming to the buck converter, so whenever we are increasing or decreasing the on time, then the particular voltage from the inductor will be less than the previously. In that manner we are going to get the less voltage which is coming from the input voltage. So coming to this connection, the potentiometer interface at A0, and these 3 MOSFETs are C0, C1, C2, and LCD interface at to B2 to B7 of our PIC microcontroller. So let us see the demonstration. Just provide the power supply. Once you get the power supply, the 2 loads will be on directly, and we can observe that now it is in the buck boost mode. So now if the voltage is heavier, means it's boosting the voltage, you can observe that the input voltage is right. Whenever it's enter into the maximum voltage, now in enter the buck, the input voltage is more than the output voltage, means the output voltage decreased, and when decreasing the voltage, it's buck boost mode. And if I decrease the more voltage, then it will enter into the boost mode again. Right, now it is a boost mode. So in the boost mode, there will be one LED indication on our boosting mode. Right. So in this way, we are going to controlling the 3 buck boost converters with generalized state operation. Right. Thank you.